The India Bloc Manipur held a crucial meeting today at Congress Bhavan in Imphal with representatives from several constituent parties, including AAP, AIFB, AITC, CPI, CPIM, INC, NCP, SP, RSP, and SSUBT. The statement issued by India Bloc convener Manipur, K3 Mayum Santa, stated that the meeting focused on the ongoing developments in Manipur, particularly following recent inhuman killings of children, women and elderly persons in Ziribam. The meeting strongly condemned the brutal killings, including the tragic death of an 8-month-old infant attacked and counter-attack by Kuki militants. The India Bloc demanded immediate action to apprehend the culprits and ensure they are brought to justice in accordance with the law. The meeting also discussed reimposition of Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) in 6 police stations, expressing strong opposition to the reintroduction of these black law, citing its withdrawal under the previous SPF government led by Okrami Bobi. The India Bloc demanded AFSPA be repealed from these areas to protect the interest of people of Manipur. Showing solidarity, India Bloc Manipur will be organizing sit-in protest in Delhi on Manipur issue during the winter session of Parliament. The India Bloc has sent a letter to the national leadership of constituent parties urging them to join this extra parliamentary movement focused on addressing the ongoing crisis in Manipur. The meeting also condemned the recent attacks on the properties of MLAs allegedly in retaliation for the Ziribam killings. The India Bloc reaffirmed its commitment to secure justice for the victims of violence in Manipur and to ensure that peace and justice are restored in Manipur.